Hey, what's up everybody? How's it going? Today I got a nice product here by Garmin. It is a Garmin dash camera, okay? This model specifically is the Garmin 55. Before we get into that, I need to let you guys know that I changed the name of my channel. So I'm no longer going to be going by the name of What the Tech. Apparently too many other people had that name, and some friends of mine were telling me it's extremely hard to find my channel. So I'm switching the name. It is going to now be called The Rundown, okay? Not because the channel is run down, but because rundowns are what I want to provide you guys with on this channel. So let me give you the rundown of the Garmin 55, okay? There are three models of this Garmin GPS, the 45, the 55, and the 65, okay? This is the in-between model. The 45 is kind of the budget model. This model is the high image quality model. And then the 65 is the wide angle model, okay? I think you have a 180 degree view. Now, something you should also know is that Garmin just released their newer models of each of these, okay? So they're calling it the 46, the 56, and the 66, okay? They just updated it after a couple of years. But I was looking at that model, and the specs for the 55 and the 56 are exactly the same. The only difference is a $50 price bump. So it was an easy choice for me. I went with the 55. The only difference between the 55 and the 56 is they changed the color of this ring here. They made that black, okay? For me, that wasn't worth the price difference. It does look a little bit sharper, but it's all about the value, okay? They did upgrade the other two. I'm not quite sure what they did to the 46, but I know with the 66, the wide angle version, they gave it the same high quality footage as the previous 55 model. So it has 1440p now. So you can check that out if you want, but today we're going to be reviewing the Garmin 55 dash cam. All right, so let me give you the rundown. It has 1440p, it is voice control, it has forward collision and lane departure alerts, red light and speed cameras, it'll pair to your smartphone and you can share video right from your phone. Automatic incident detection, it's nice and compact, and it has a very cool travel lapse feature which says you can turn hours of video into short road trip recaps. That is a nice feature. I am going to try it out today for you guys as well. And that is what we have. We have the instructions here, we have some cables, the 12 volt power charger, and then the unit itself. Okay, this is nice and compact. This is actually a little bit smaller than my GoPro Hero 5. If you guys have one of those, we'll have a nice reference to compare it to. The rose gold here does look a little bit tacky, but that's okay. You know, for 50 bucks, you gotta save where you can, right? All right. So there's a button on the bottom right of the Garmin 55. If you hold that button, it will save the footage before, during, and slightly after. The instructions don't tell you how long the footage is saved for in terms of seconds or minutes, but I guess we'll find that out when we plug it into the computer and upload the footage. The display stays on for a minute or two, and after that the display shuts off to save battery, but the recording does continue. Okay, I'm home now and I was able to figure out how much footage is saved to the memory card when you save the footage using the button or you get into an accident. So I'm going to show you guys an example of how it works. The Garmin records in 1 minute video segments, and each segment is continually overwritten after each minute in order to maintain a clear memory card. So say you just started driving and you hit a banana, then slide into a green shell, and your accident happens at 1 minute and 40 seconds into your driving. Garmin is going to save that minute segment from 1 to 2 minutes, as well as the 1 minute segment before and after the accident segment. This should total about 3 minutes of footage saved to your card. As we already mentioned, the Garmin has incident detection and it will save the footage automatically. But if you want to save your footage on your own accord, not referring to the Honda, then push and hold the button on the bottom right of the camera. A quick press will take a snapshot, and a long press, about 2 seconds, will save the footage. You can also use your voice commands to save pictures and videos, as well as other cool features like, "Okay Garmin, start travel lapse." I highly recommend you guys get one of these. Dash cams now, they're becoming almost an essential item with all the insurance fraud going on out there. It's really good to have one of these. You're gonna, at the end of the day, you're gonna save your own ass, okay? Now, like I said, there's a lot of fraud out there. If you have video evidence of what actually happened, then that holds up in court, okay? These things are becoming almost standard now. Some of the newer cars are coming with these pre-installed. So it's a no-brainer. You know, you don't have to get this one. There are like dash cams out there you can get for $40 or $50. You're sacrificing a lot of features and details, but you know, go online, look at what's best for you. I'll post this one in the description as well, along with the other models that they have. I know Garmin is really good, okay? They specialize in GPS units. I've had this GPS watch now for a couple of years by Garmin. It's a great watch, and I can tell you their customer support is phenomenal. So if you ever have any problems, they will fix it. They'll get back to you right away for one, and they'll usually send out new hardware, new pieces for free. So it's really good to know when you're purchasing from a company that'll take care of you. Like I said, guys, I highly recommend a dash cam. I hope you pick one up. If you do, check this one out. It is worth a look. I hope you guys enjoyed the first rundown review of the Garmin dash cam. There are going to be plenty more to come in the future, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, share the video, like it, comment, whatever you like, okay? Thank you very much for watching, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.